Hello and welcome to our informative channel. Today, we are going to talk about cryptocurrency and what it is. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. It is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution, and it operates on a peer-to-peer network. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Since then, there have been thousands of other cryptocurrencies created, each with its unique features and functions. One of the most important features of cryptocurrency is its blockchain technology. A blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that is used to record transactions across many computers. It is immutable, meaning that once a block is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. Cryptocurrencies can be used for a variety of purposes, including as a medium of exchange, a store of value, or as a speculative investment. Many people see cryptocurrency as the future of money and believe that it has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. However, there are also concerns about the volatility and regulation of cryptocurrency. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, meaning that they can fluctuate rapidly in price. Additionally, some governments have been hesitant to fully embrace cryptocurrency, and there are concerns about its use in illegal activities. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a digital asset that is decentralized and operates on a peer-to-peer network. It uses blockchain technology to record transactions and has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. While there are concerns about its volatility and regulation, many people see it as the future of money. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.